Hi guys, hope you're doing well. This is the announcement that in the next 78 days I'm going to be doing a short course in Reality Transurfing, which, as I announced earlier, is a great method of reality bending and creating your own reality. And it's a quantum physics and metaphysical set of techniques which is gonna bring you much more broader awareness of the reality we live in, and hopefully it will give you tools and resources to tap into your limitless potential and create a reality which you actually prefer. So stay tuned. I'm going to be posting every day one short video for the next 78 days, and you can follow me both on Instagram and on my YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching, and see you tomorrow then. Bye.